Hi, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my experience shooting with Plum Body Loving. So I worked with them in the sense of they sent me a few products home, and then I took a few videos and I took a few pictures and I sent it back to them, and that is the way I worked with them. But this is all about my experience and how I came in contact with Plum and what were the behind the scenes of shooting at home. I used this door that you can see for the white background, and it was a little tight spaced, but I made it work. So if you want to see all the behind the scenes of how a home shoot works, keep on watching. So Plum is a brand that is more into hair care and skin care and beauty products basically, and Plum Body Loving is a sister brand to Plum which focuses more on bath and body products. So I worked with Plum Body Loving, not Plum, just making that clear for you all. So how I came in contact with Plum Body Loving, around 17th April I auditioned for an advertisement with Plum, and then I got shortlisted and I got selected and I got in touch with the production house, but unfortunately that ad never really happened. People got corona and circumstances weren't as good as that time, so the ad never really happened. But it's okay, there's always a silver lining, because around a month later, in March, 27th March I guess, they reached out to me on Instagram and they said that they remember me from the audition that I had given, and they wanted new faces because they're launching a new product, that is the deodorizing pit cream, which I really like, by the way. And this is not sponsored by Plum, this is just me talking about my experience shooting with Plum Body Loving and how a home shoot works, because this was my first time shooting for something and doing it at home. So I was like, how it will go, and I searched on YouTube, but I didn't really get any YouTube videos, so I thought I'll just make one myself because anyone might need it. Where was I? Plum reached out to me and I said yes, and then the next question would be how we collabed or how we worked together. So I had to give them a few deliverables, and the deliverables included 4 static images and 1 video showing a pit care regime, and they would send me all of them in exchange for their products, obviously. So along with all of this, a brief was shared to us, and the brief included steps that you had to take, like you had to have a white background and the lighting should be proper and no cloth backgrounds, and you have to wear sleeveless because obviously this is an armpit photo shoot. Then you had to have very light makeup and all of those essentials, and also the brief explained to us in each image what they wanted. Like one image you had to have 1 product in your hand and show it in this way and that way, so the brief was very helpful in that way. And with a few pictures out here, so in the first picture I had to have the vanilla pit cream in my hand and pose accordingly. In the other one I had to have the Hawaiian Rumba pit cream. So that is how it works. So they sent us a brief and we had to stick to the brief and click pictures in that way that they wanted. So the next question is how I did the home shoot and what was the setup like. So I had a ring light at home already and I have a stand for it also. So I used that, and I used this white background, and I also used a background in the living room because the natural light was very good. Apart from that, I also asked a friend for help. So this is another thing that I learned, that don't shy away from asking for help from your friends, because I didn't have a sleeveless top and she had some, so she got a few, and then she helped me with my makeup and she helped me making sure that the pictures that she took were in focus and the videos were in focus. So she was the person behind the camera, and I'm just so thankful for her to come and help me, and we just ended up dancing around, and that is why the pictures turned out so good, because we were so free and having our own experience. And that is why I actually wanted to make this video, because I learned so much from this shoot that I feel that if anyone's out there and does not know how this works or just is curious of how a home shoot works, I really hope this helped you all, because when I was searching on YouTube on a home shoot and how to shoot it and what to do and what not to do, I just couldn't find any video. So I really hope this helped you all. With that I conclude the video. I really hope you liked it. Also, I just wanted to put a disclaimer. The people of Plum Body Loving are so kind and respectful towards you. Granted, I only talked to one of them, but we were on the call continuously. We were going back and forth. Like, I was sending her pictures and she was saying if this is nice and this is not, and what she wanted me to do with a picture. I think she really helped me, and thank you so much if you're watching this. Also, she was very kind, respectful, and she spoke with such sincerity that you could connect to her. So thank you so much much if you're watching this. That ends the video. I hope you really liked it. If you have any more questions, just put it in the comment section and I will try to answer it. That's it. I hope you have a good day. Bye.